Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Irina Lyamshina. At first, we need to make the dark background. We need the violet, purple color. Let's take the violet and dark red color. Let's make the background maybe a little bit black, for example. And now we need to make the blue sky around our flowers. We need to take the light blue color and this violet. I take the flat brush number 14, load up one edge of the brush with the violet color and other edge with the light blue color. Blend these colors on the palette and we will make the strokes around. And now load up all the brush with the light blue color and paint. Now let's take the small flat brush. I have the flat brush number 8. Load up one edge of the brush with the white color and other edge with the pink color. Blend these colors on the palette. We will paint the small flowers here in the center. In the center we will paint the brightest flowers. I think I can paint here. We can add a little bit blue or violet and paint the small flower here. Now let's load up the same brush with the violet color and the pink color. Blend the colors on the palette, and we will paint the darker flowers like this. Load up the same brush with the light blue color and the violet color. Blend these colors on the palette. And let's paint some flowers in this place. The dark color is outside, and we paint some petals like this. And now turn the brush and paint the dark inside, the dark color inside. The dark color outside in the light part. In the darker part, we turn the brush and paint the light color outside like this. Now let's paint some leaves. I take the flat brush number 14 and load up one edge of the brush with the light green color. And the other edge with the dark red color. Maybe a little bit dark green. Let's paint some leaves here. Let's take the small brush. Let's take the round brush, number 3, and make the center of the flowers. And let's outline some leaves. Here is our flower. I hope you like it. See you. Bye.